Okay, hey everybody. I know y'all are asking me, where have you been, Nikita girl? We have been asking so much of you. We've been wanting to see you. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and say I was going through a lot, and I am back on me. Okay, and I'm look, I'm just being okay with myself. So yes, that's what I've been. That's what I've been doing. If you haven't noticed by today's title, the title. If you haven't noticed by the title, today's video is going to be about an eyeshadow tutorial. I don't want to come out with a huge glamorous eye look. I want to do an eye look that most people can do on a regular. That's not too like glammy, but also nice, like a nice little beat. My best friend slash wife, she texted me the other day and she was like, hey, do you mind doing an eyeshadow video? I was like, girl, yes, I got you. I was just like, I don't know what to do for my first video back. So now that I do know what I'm doing, and now that I'm going to show you how to do this look on these eyes, make sure you definitely stay tuned and watch. But make sure you give this video a huge like, and make sure that you put your comments in the comment section below. And if you are new, welcome to my channel, and make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button down below and come with me as I create this look. Okay, sorry if y'all are wondering, this is Sweet Peach by Gallo Family. This video is nowhere near sponsored. I just wanted to let you know what I'm sipping on. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this bottle. Excuse me.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Now that I finished my face, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my eyes, because that's what people definitely went ahead and told me that they want to see. Well, that's what my wife want to see, so that's what I'm really going to be focusing on. Okay, awesome. I'm using the Morphe 35O palette. A lot of people don't. A lot of people do have this. It has what, 35 shades, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 35 shades. Awesome. And they're all natural. I really like this palette because you can, it's so many different options you can have with this. So what I'm first gonna do is just grab like this fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna make my just gonna put like a transition shade on my eye. What you want to do is go in the I have hooded eyes, because after I had my stroke, my eyes just went crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna take it into like the crease and the brow bone-ish, and go ahead and do this. Just be mindful, you probably won't see it as much, but I promise you it will make a huge difference when you're putting on your makeup. I want to see how many likes I can get on this video. So I'm gonna start with 50, because you know I'm gonna go low. And a lot of people don't really watch my shit, but it's okay, because if I was actually doing this in person, if the people who actually subscribe to me were here and I was doing this in front of them, I would be so nervous. Okay. So we just went in with this transition shade right here. Now we're gonna take these two right here and combine them, because I don't want it to be too red. I'm going to be taking more of the red. You know what I'm saying? And then you're going to take this in the crease. The crease, just like that. And if you have hooded eyes, it's good to look at where you want this to be placed. Not having your eyes closed like this, because you're going to open your eye and you're going to be like, oh snap, that's not where I wanted it. And then you want to go in. It's not really much to blend, but you want to Make sure you're blending as you're going along. That way you don't have as much to blend when the end comes about. Now that that's on, you really just have like that base that you really wanted. So now you're going to go in with a darker shade, such as this one. Yeah. And I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid. This would be like a natural glam beads kind of thing. So since it's on my lid, I'm going to slightly close my eye. And then just put it at the base. And then slowly open my eye once I start going up. And because this is the only shade, you're going to be putting a lot, like a lot on, because you are constantly blending it out. And you just want it to stay. You're going to concentrate on the middle because you really don't like blend that part out, but you want it to be concentrated and pretty. So you have that. Then you're just going to go around the perimeter of where you place that shadow and then just kind of blend it out. Like so. And there, boom, you have your simple eyes. This is the final look on my eyes. If you want me to go into depth about how I do my face on the regular, or how I get like this glow and stuff like that, like I said before, let me know. And if you haven't already, make sure you definitely like this video. Yeah, okay. And if you would like to see more of me, definitely put your comments in the comment section down below. But until then, bye my divas.